Hello everybody, I've had this light fixture here kicking around in the storage building for many years. It was still in the box when I got it. I didn't show having to snap the sockets in place, but it is indeed brand new. Unfortunately it's a T8, but I got it cheap as free, so you can't complain too much about that. I am going to be installing it above the door up here. My plan is to eliminate this, put a switch there with an outlet where I can continue to use my preheat, and then I'll run the power back up to the light. I have my Romex right there by the tackle box, that metal tackle box. So I'm going to get started. I got to get my drill out. This should be a real easy install. I will just screw into the studs and call it good. A little while later, here's my progress. I've got the light mounted and I've got the connections made inside the light fixture. Now I just need to get a box there and make all my connections here, and this project will be done. A little while later. This is not the way to do this, but I'm not going to go to the store today, but I wanted to see if this worked. So I'm just temporarily rigged it with the extension cord, and there we go. I've got these, what do we got here? GE 48-inch Active Spaces Daylight F32 T8, 2900 lumens, 6500K. And yes, that lights it up pretty nicely in here. It's the next day and I'm going to clean this mess up today and get it all hooked up. See, the problem, this light fixture kept coming loose. No matter how many times I put it back up, it would work itself back loose, so that's not good. In my hoard, I had this switch. I believe it's new old stock. It's made in the USA. I was gifted probably 50 of these a year or two ago. These are also made in the USA, so they're pretty nice pieces. So I went and bought a faceplate to adapt to what I had. And then I got my box to put all my wires in and put the switches in. So I'm going to get this switched out really quick, and we'll come back in a little while. Alright, we're all wired up. Got the switch and the outlet installed. Need one more staple on that white wire on the left. Here's the T8 light fixture that I was given for free, so can't complain about it. And here's my preheat. And here is the other light. Yeah, the switch is a bit high, but that's where my wiring was, and I can reach it no problem standing on the ground, so that will work. And here's the light output with the doors closed. It's plenty bright in here. I can see everything I need to with no problems at all. A little dark in that corner, but that's okay. All this stuff is visible. So that's been a look at my lighting upgrade in the storage building. Thank you for watching.